In this video, we will review Buildertrend. Buildertrend is a cloud-based construction management software designed to streamline project management for home builders, remodelers, and specialised contractors. In a nutshell, it helps teams manage everything from project scheduling, budgeting, to client communication, all in one place. One of Buildertrend's biggest strengths is its intuitive interface, which makes it easy to onboard even if you're not a super tech-savvy individual. The centralized communication between clients, subcontractors, contractors will reduce miscommunication and help increase efficiency, helping projects stay on track. Users especially appreciate features such as change order tracking, real-time scheduling updates, and the ability to share documents and photos directly within one app. It also integrates with popular tools such as Xro and QuickBooks, which makes accounting so much smoother and easier. On the flip side, some users have mentioned that Buildertrend can be overwhelming due to its sheer number of features, which makes it a bit of a fully utilise it and need more training. In addition, while customer support is generally praised, a user notes that response time can vary. The mobile app, which is very functional, sometimes lags behind the desktop version in terms of ease of use, speed, and features. Still, Buildertrend remains a popular choice for growing construction businesses that need to centralise systems to manage their operations more efficiently. Overall, it's a robust platform once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.